Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Sadgurum Brahmavidvaram Yoantah Pravishya Mama Vachamimam Prasuptam Sanjeevayatyakhilashakti अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धेर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनक्क हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं वश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशन् ज्वलितमकरसत्कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्गं सुबाहं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोर्मं भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम् श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द मोक्षाब्धिसारमय भागवताख्य दध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्य यत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यमिददृशयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are on the verge of completing our halfway mark. So directly let us dive into the 49th Dashakam and hopefully aim to complete the 50th. And on this auspicious day of the Makara Sankraman, let us complete that mark and feel proud to have reached somewhere which was stagnant about 2 weeks ago. So all the best wishes to all. Let me this Makara Sankraman be prosperous in our sadhana, in terms of our own self-discipline that we need to acquire. And may we see that light, like what Bhattacharya ji had seen. May we also get that vision. And we be blessed by Guru Vairapa. Hari Om, my dear darling. Let us now get into it. We are doing 49th Upendra Vajra. Have we done before? Yes, we have done. Sometime last 2 classes ago, it was a homework that when you all are not able to answer that, I said, now come on, go and find it out. So I hope you all have found out. We are not going to put any time on that. Let's get into it. Okay, Anika dear, can you put on your cam so that I can spotlight you? Yes. Let's start. Dashakam 49, Vrindavana Gamana Varnana. Okay, so now we are seeing that part, going off to Vrindavana and Upendra Vajra. I hope everybody knows what it is. Those who have not known, then you'll have to just turn few pages. Let's go ahead. Bhavat Prabhava Vidurahi Gopaha.
भवत्प्रभावा विदुरा हि गोपाः
तरुप्रपातादिकमत्र गोष्ठे
तरुप्रपातादिकमत्र गोष्ठे
हेतुमुत्पातगणं विशङ्क्य
हेतुमुत्पातगणं विशङ्क्य
प्रयातुमन्यत्र मनोवितेनुः.
प्रयातु मन्यत्र मनोवितेनुः भवत्प्रभावा विदुरा हि गोपाः तरुप्रपातादिकमत्र गोष्ठे अहेतुमुत्पातगणं गणौ विशङ्क्य प्रयातु मन्यत्र मनोवितेनुः.
Is Arjun or Anish going to join you, my dear? They're going to join. Okay. I'll leave that spot right on. So, Bhavat Prabhava Viduraha. Bhavat, Matlatari ji is saying to Lord that Bhavat Prabhava, your glories, Aviduraha. They are away from you. They are not aware of your glory. So, those who are not aware of your glory, Bhavat Prabhava Viduraha, who? Those gopas, gopaha, those gopas, taru prapatadi, atra goshthe. Taru is a tree, prapata, falling of the tree and all. Atra over here, goshthe, in that village, in that Gokula, they felt, oh hetu utpatagana, oh hetu, without any reason. All this, oh hetu, without any reason, utpatagana. Some signs are not so very good, bad omen, it is feeling. Vishankya, thinking that that is a sign, that is not a good sign, it's a bad omen. Anyatra prayatum. Anyatra, somewhere else, prayatum, to go. Manovitenuhu. In their minds, that the idea came, oh, so much difficult. And the tree has just fallen like that. This is not a good sign. We'll have to change the village. Like that, some people who didn't know Lord's glory commented. Bhavat prabhava vidurahi gopaha taru prapatadikamatra goshte ahetumutpataganam vishankya prayatum anyatra manovitenuhu. Yes, Arjun.
तत्रोपनन्दाभिध गोपवर्यः
तत्रोपनन्दाभिधगोपवर्यः
जगौ भवत्प्रेरणयैव नूनम्
जगौ भवत्प्रेरणयैव नूनम्
इतः प्रतीच्या विपिनं मनोज्ञम्
इतः प्रतीच्यां विपिनं मनोज्ञम्
वृन्दावनं नाम विराजतीति
वृन्दावनं नाम विराजतीति तत्रोपनन्दाभिधगोपवर्यः जगौ भवत्प्रेरणयैव नूनम् इतः प्रतीच्यां विपिनं मनोज्ञम् वृन्दावनं नाम विराजतीति
तत्रः उपनन्द अभिधा गोपवर्या one gopi gopavarya means the one who is senior amongst all the gopi or one who is the leader of the gopi gopavarya by name upananda abhidah by the name of upananda tatra over there jagau said bhavat prerana eva noonam said bhavat prerana Bhattathariji is saying to the Lord that with your prerana only with your grace only he said means noonam actually really by your grace only he has said what he has said itaha praticha itaha from here Praticha. Udicha is east. Praticha is west. So where are they? They are in Gokula. So from Gokula, Itaha Praticha. From here to the west, Vipinam Manodnyam. Vipinam forest. Manodnyam, very nice, enchanting forest is there. Vrindavana Nama. Vrinda, by the name of Vrindavana. Virajati Iti. There is a forest by the name of Vrindavan from here to the west side. Like this head of all the gopis called by Upananda, he said, by your grace only, by your prompting, by your inner prompting only, he got that suggestion to tell everybody. Tatropanandabhidha gopavaryaha jagau bhavat preranayaiva noonam itah pratichya vipinam manodnyam vrindavanam nama virajatiti.
Anish is getting a bit late, so he'll join a bit later.
Okay, so when he comes, let him sit at the camera so I know so that I can bring him back again that time. Okay, my dear, so adults can come in. Yeah, okay, now I can figure it out. Okay, Number 3. Bruhadvanantat khalu nanda mukhya.
I think it's frozen.
Yes, it was frozen for so long, so when I was waiting, I hope now it is settled. Okay, Shamalaji, you are ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Sorry, I didn't hear my name.
Okay, and no, you have been also on spotlight. Bruhadvanantat khalu nanda mukhya.
Brihatvanantat khalu nanda mukhya
विधाय गौष्ठीनमथ विधाय गौष्ठीनमथ अथ क्षणेन
vidhaya gaushti nama athkshanen
वदन्वितत्वज्जननी निविष्टगरिष्ठयानानुगता विचेलुः
tvadat tvadat tvadan tvadatanvitatva jananin vishta garishta yananugata vicheluhu. Can you just repeat that last one?
Yes. Tvadanvita,
Tvadanvita,
Tvajjanani,
Tvajjanani,
Nivishta,
Nivishta.
Garishta. Say Garishta,
Garishta,
Yananugata,
Jnananugata,
Vicheluhu.
Vicheluhu. Okay.
Tvadanvita,
Brihatvanam,
Tvadanvita, Tvad mean Bhattatiri is saying to Lord, Tvadanvita, with you, Tvad Janani, your mother, Nivishta, sitting in Garishta, big yana, in a big car. Okay. Tvadanvita, Tvad-janani nivishta, Garishta yananugata vicheluhu.
Tvadanvita Tattvajanani Nivishta Garishthyananugata Vicheluhu
Hmm.
Brihatvanan Tat Khalu Nanda Mukhya Vidhaya Gaushti Vidhaya Gaushti Namathakshanena
Gaushthinam
Tvadanvita.
atha. So you break it. Gaushthinam tha. Gaushthinam atha. When you keep saying that matha will come. Gaushthinam atha. So Gaushthi is a stable where the cows live. Gaushta stable. Shed, cow shed, not a stable.
Brihatvanan Tat Khalu Nanda Mukhya Vidhaya Gaushti Namathakshanena
Very good.
Tvadanvita Tattvajanani Nivishta
Tvatvana. Tvajjanani. Tvadanvita. Tvajjanani.
Tvadanvita Tattvajanani.
Tattva,
Is
no,
that
my
correct?
dear. No, not tattva. Tvat. Tvat mean your. Tvad anvita. Tvat janani.
Oh, Tvajanani, okay. Tvadanvita Tvajanani Nivishta Garishthayananugata Vicheluhu.
Good. So, Bruhadvanam Tat. So, where they were staying Gokula was known as Bruhadvana. That, so Nanda Mukhya, amongst all the head, means the Nanda Maharaji, what he has done, they all, Vichelu, they all set out. From so leaving immediately, they acted upon what this Gopavarya said. And this Bruhadvana, now without the Lord, it is now mere one stable place. When Lord is there, the Sthalam Mahatmya is there. So now this Bruhadvana is reduced only to mere one cowshed place only, remains of the cowshed, because everybody is set out. How did they set out? Tvadanvita, with you along, Tvajjanani, with your mother, Nivishta, keeping in them, in Garishtha, in a big yana, in a big cart, Anugata, they began. They all left Gokula. They all started their journey towards this west side where one Vipina, which is Manodnya, a forest which is very enchanting, beautiful forest, to the west side they went. Bruhadvana they left and they are going towards Vrindavana. Bruhadvanan tatthalu nanda mukhya vidhaya gaushtheenamathakshanena त्वदन्वितत्वज्जननी निविष्टगरिष्ठयानानुगता विचेलुः. Lataji. Number 4. When the kids are there, I will be let me see. When Anish will come, you will raise your hand, huh, Anika, when Anish is there. Okay, number 4. Ano manodnyadhvani धेनुपाली खुर प्रणादान्तरतो वधूभिः. Ano manodnyadhvani धेनुपाली खुर प्रणादात् तरतो antarato vadhubihi. Ano manodnyadhvani धेनुपाली खुर प्रणादान्तरतो वधूभिः.
अनो मनोज्ञध्वनि ध्वनि धेनुपाली खुरप्रणादान्तरतो वधूभिः
Those who know Marathi, they will see here, no, the hoof, the horse's hoof that make the sound, or the cattle's hoof that makes a. So pranada is a nada sound. So khura pranada is that noise of that, the steps which the cattle would make, the horse or the cart or that. Okay. Ano manodnya dhvani dehenupali khura pranadantarato vadhubhihi.
अनो मनोज्ञध्वनि ध्वनिद्धेनुपाली खुरप्रणादान्तरतो वधूभिः
भवद्विनोदालपिताक्षराणि प्रपीयत्नाज्ञायतमार्गदैर्घ्यम्
भवद्विनोदालपिताक्षराणि प्रपीयनाज्ञायतमार्गदैर्घ्यम् अनो मनोज्ञध्वनिधेनुपाली खुरप्रणादान्तरतो वधूभिः भवद्विनोदालपिताक्षराणि प्रपीयनाज्ञायतमार्गदैर्घ्यम्.
Very beautiful description. Lord is small only, still a baby only. So this ana, we have heard this word anasa, mahanasa, mahanasa, keeping him at the cart, and she went to the mahanasa, anasa, mahanasa, where at Chakatasura Vadha, that time we got this word ana. So ana is this cart, okay? And this manodnya, dhvani, manodnya, very nice, pleasing to the mind. What dhvani? The sound of what? The car. And then dhvani, and then dhenupali. How we have Deepavali. Deepavali we say, no? Deepa's avali, row of light, Deepavali. Like that, dhenupali. Dhenu is cow. Pali, line of cows. Huh? And they are making that sound. And this khura pranada is happening. Their hooves are making the sound. And this antarataha vadhubhihi. So this vadhubhihis are all the gopis. So gopis, antarataha, amidst all this, what is happening? The cows are moving, the cart sound is there, maybe the bells are also jingling, maybe the hoofs are making sound, all that sound. In that, bhavat vinoda lapitaksharani. Bhavat vinoda alapitani. Alapa, we have heard this word where, singers take this alapa, like that. So this is one baby. So Vinoda is like, very amusing alapa, Lord's alapa. And this aksharas, Lord's this, the baby, what we can say, baby, some gibberish and all they will talk also. So he's speaking something, and that sound of his small aksharas, prapiya, they were drinking that sound. This is the word it's not listening. These lords, alapas, aksharas, that baby, just imagine this baby talking, this cow sound is there, bell sound is there, hoop sound is there, and then one sound is coming of the baby. That prapiya, drinking that, so this is like our lyabantavya, having drunk that, na Adnyayata marga dairghyam. Marga, road, dairgya, the long journey, na adnyayata. They didn't realize only that the journey is so tedious, the journey is so long, because lots prattling is going on, cows this. So everything was very joyous in the journey. When they are leaving from one place which they have already lived, it was not sorrowful. They were happily only going. The whole antariksham was very delightful. Ano manodnya dhvani dhenupali khura pranadantarato vadhubhihi bhavad vinodalapitaksharaani. We should not pause. We should go all together only, because first line is together. Ano manodnya dhvani dhenupali khura pranadantarato vadhubhihi भवद्विनोदालपिताक्षराणि प्रपीयद्नाज्ञायतमार्गदैर्घ्यम् प्रपीयद्नाज्ञायत. So just be careful there. Rani prapiya. So that also aksharani prapiya. Beautiful lines are there. Okay, Lalitama. Come on. Niriksha Vrindavanamīša Nandat Prasūna Kunda Pramukhadrumaugham.
निरीक्ष्य वृन्दावनमीश नन्दत्प्रसूनकुन्दप्रमुखद्रुमौघम्
Excellent. अमोदथाशाद्वलसान्द्रलक्ष्म्या हरिन्मणि कुट्टिमपुष्टशोभम्.
अमोदथाशाद्वलसान्द्रलक्ष्म्या हरिन्मणिकुट्टिमपुष्टशोभम् निरीक्ष्य वृन्दावनमीश नन्दत्प्रसूनकुन्दप्रमुखद्रुमौघम् अमोदथाशाद्वलसान्द्रलक्ष्म्या हरिन्मणिकुट्टिमपुष्टशोभम्.
Beautiful description of the journey is coming over here. Niriksha, having seen what? Vrindavanam Isha. Vrindavana. So, oh Lord, having seen this, what? How? Nandat Prasuna. Nandat Prasuna is like very happy flowers, flowers which are full of blossom. Nandat Prasuna. Kunda Pramukha. So, in Maharashtra, there is a flower called as kunda, which has a very, very sweet smell. It's closer to jasmine. It's not like jasmine of South India. You can say like a jasmine of this mid India. Maharashtra has this. It's a single layer only, but very big, very white in color, very beautiful shape also. Smells also sweet. This kunda. So this kunda pramukha. So there were Nandat Prasuna, there were so many blossom flowers, but in that Pramukha was this Kunda flower, and there was this Kunda Pramukha Drumaugham. Augha is again lot of trees. So Druma is a tree. So Drumaugham means there were so many trees also on both the sides. And Amodathaha, that was means Lord was also delighted to see that. Shadvala Sandra Lakshmya. Shadvala is the green pastures. The lawns are seen everywhere. Sandra Lakshmya. So, whenever you see the greenery, what you feel? You feel so prosperous over there, no? When the green lands are seen. So, this intensely Sandra, it's like a dense greenery scene that was making Lord very happy. Harinmani Puttima. Harinmani. Harinmani, green color money. Green gems are what? Emeralds. Huh? So it was looking like Harinmani, like the gems, those emeralds, Puttima. It is like put on the floor. Like you have stones and pebbles put on the pathway, like that, it is looking like for the Lord. Emeralds have been put on the pathway, the seeing all this greenery. And that was Pushta Shobham. That was just very enriching, very Pushta Shobham. It was nourishingly beautiful. It was like that. So everything is like a very happy green. Just to start imagining like this. Niriksha. Niriksha Vrindavanamīša Nandatprasūna Kunda Pramukhadrumaugham Amodathah Shadvalasandra Lakshmya Harinmani Kuttima Pushta Shobham. Wow, some beautiful lines when we can enjoy that. Okay, that's no, I see. I just now saw, yes. Thank you, Nikhilaji, for pointing. And which we will have to take because they will have some classes and all. Sorry, Anish. Let us take here first. Nava, what happened? Navaka nirvyudha nivasa bhedeshvashesha gopeshu sukhasiteshu. Okay, we'll do like this. Navaka nirvyudha nivasa bhedeshu. Okay, that bhedeshva is bhedeshu. Then balance is ashesha gopeshu. So, navaka nirvyudha nivasa bhedeshva shesha gopeshu भेदेषु अशेषगोपेषु सुखासितेषु. Okay. नवाक निर्व्यूढ निवास भेदेष्वशेषगोपेषु सुखासितेषु.
नवाकनिर्व्यूढनवासभेदेष्वशेषु स्वशेषगोपेषु सुखासितेषु.
You have just saved all the adults. Otherwise, somebody would have got. Now you have made it sound very easy for them. वनश्रियङ्गोपकिशोरपाली विमिश्रितः पर्यगलोकथास्त्वम्.
वनश्रियङ्गोपकिशोरपाली विमिश्रितः पर्यगलोकथास्त्वम्. नवाकनिर्व्यूढनिवासभेदेष्वशेषगोपेषु सुखासितेषु. वनश्रियङ्गोपकिशोरपाली विमिश्रितः पर्यगलोकथास्त्वम्.
So now they reach that place which is looking like all the emirate leaders and all. So this Navaka Nirvyudha Nivasa. Navaka Nirvyudha Nivasa Bhedeshu. So it is not a complete circle. It is a half circle. These houses were built like this. Half circle. The houses were built for individuals, and Nivasa, that house was built in a like half moon shape, and that Ashesha Gopeshu, when all the Gopas, Ashesha, without anyone in balance, when all the Gopa, Sukhasiteshu, when they had Sukhasita, when they were comfortable in their houses, which were laid like this half moon shape, that time, Vanashriyam, Vanashriya, Vana forest, Shriya beauty, Vanashriyam, the beauty of the forest, Gopa Kishora Pali Vimishrita, who Lord with the Gopa Kishora of the cowherd boys, the children of all the other cowherd boys, Vimishrita, mixing with them, Paryak, Pari, all around, Paryak, Alokatha, Alokathaha, Tvam, you, Alokathaha, you went seeing or enjoying the Vanashriyam with all the Gopa boys. So everybody had settled in their houses. You were with the other boys, now the kids, everything okay. Now we have reached, we have got all their accommodation and all, and now they are set out to see and enjoy the beauty of this forest. Navaka nirvyudha nivasa bhedeshvashesha gopeshu sukhasiteshu vanashriyangopa kishora pali vimishrita paryagalokathastvam. That Navaka nirvyudha nivasa bhedeshva shesha gope, because it's all Murdhani. Just mark this verse and keep, so that you have to come back to it to practice. Okay, now Nikhilaji. First Nikhilaji, then Srihariji. Arala marga gata nirmalapam.
Arala marga gata nirmalapam.
Marala puja kruta narmalapam.
Marala puja kruta narmalapam.
Narmalapam.
Marala puja kruta narmalapam.
Okay. Arala marga gata nirmalapam. Marala puja kruta narmalapam.
Marala marga gata nirmalapam. Marala puja kruta narmalapam.
Correct. Nirantarasmera saroja vatrankalinda kanyam samalokayastvam.
Nirantarasmera saroja vaktram kalinda kanyam samalokayastvam. Arala marga gata nirmalapam. Marala puja kruta narmalapam. Nirantarasmera saroja vaktram kalinda kanyam samalokayastvam.
Hmm. Kalinda Kanya. Kalinda Kanya, daughter of Kalinda. Daughter of Kalinda is Yamuna. Samalokayaha saw very nicely, very clearly. All around you saw this Yamuna. Tvam. Bhattacharyji is saying to the Lord that you saw Kalinda Kanyam Samalokayaha. You have seen from all sides this beautiful Yamuna river. And then all the three words, those Samhastapadas we got, all that is the description of this Kalinda Kanya, of this Yamuna river. So, Arala Margagata Nirma Lapam. Arala Marga. So, Arala Marga is the Marga which is like going, turning and twisting, like how in a ghat section we have Arala Marga. That Nirmalapa, in that the water is very clear. So like the winding river, it's not like a straight river. It's like this winding flowing river with a clear water. Marala Kuja. Marala is a swan. And that Kuja, the sound of the swan, Kruta Narmalapam. Kruta Narmalapam. So that sound of the swan is the sound of this river. So comparing swan's sound to the river noise is made to the swan noise. Okay. Then Nirantara Smera Sarojavaktra. And this river's face is compared to smiling as like a lotus flower. So all description of Yamuna, the path of Yamuna is winding, the Yamuna's water is clear. First one, Arala Marga, Nirmalapa. Then Marala Kuja, the sound of the swan, Kruta Narmalapam, that is the sound of the river. And Nirantara Smera, continuously smiling like the lotus. The face is like the lotus. River is not having the face, but Bhattacharyji is imagining is having the face. It is like beautiful words. The Sanskrit construction is very complex, very beautiful, and so very precise. So some words we should memorize. So something like this, how Yamuna ji's description is so beautiful. Means it defeats all the romantic kavis. It's like that. It's so beautiful in Sanskrit. Arala Marga Gata Nirmalapa Marala Puja Krita Narmalapa Nirantara Smera Saroja Vaktrankalinda Kanyam Samalokayastvam. Sri Hariji, number 8. Mayura Keka Shatalobhaniyam.
मयूरकेका शतलोभनीयम्
Mayukhamala Shabalam Manina.
मयूखमाला शबलं मणीनाम्
Virinchaloka Sprushamucha Shrungaihi.
गिरिञ्चलोकस्पृशमुच्चशृङ्गैः
Girincha Govardhanamaikshathastvam.
गिरिञ्च गोवर्धनमैक्षथास्त्वम् मयूरकेका शतलोभनीयम् मयूखमाला शबलं मणीनाम् गिरिञ्च लोकस्पृशमुच्चशृङ्गैः गिरिञ्च गोवर्धनमैक्षथास्त्वम्.
Excellent. So smooth. Now, again, description of the place. It's really, we should enjoy all this. Mayura Keka. Mayura Keka is peacock. Peacock's noise. Okay. Other day, peacock came over and it was keeping on screaming here and there. It spoiled all my rangoli. It walked through the house and all. Very nice, but it didn't have any feathers. Just 2 days ago, the peacock came. Now again. From nowhere it came. It's a crowded place like that, though it's a village, but still the peacock came. And it was sitting on top of the house for a very long time. Mayura Keka, that term. And that Mayura Keka Shata Lobhaniya, that was such a So beautiful it was. Mayura Kekashata, that was very, very pleasing sound of the peacocks. Then this Mayukhamala. This Mayukhamala, Mayukha, again they have repeated that word, but this is for the rays of light that were coming. It was multicolor, Shabala, as if it is of different gems, Manina. Shabala is like, sometimes the sun rays will have those multicolor, we'll see, like the rainbow color, sometimes we'll see. So now this side is all the peacock sound, and then this rays are coming like this, multicolored, which is giving as though there are some gems over there. And as though this Govardhana Aikshathastvam, you have seen this Govardhana, that last phrase, Govardhana Aikshatha, saw, Tvam, you saw, Bhattacharya is saying to Lord. And that Giri, that mountain, how it is, Uchchashrunga. Uchchashrunga means very high peak this Govardhana is having, as though Virincha Loka Sprusham, as though it is touching Brahmaji's Loka. Brahma, Satya Loka, as if it is touching the Satya. So such high mountains are there, and the rays that are coming through it, trickling down, is looking like gems. And then this sound of peacock is so enchanting. The description of the place, we should enjoy this. And within such 4-5 words, all the description is over. Tvam Govardhana Maikshada. Such a Govardhana you saw. Govardhana Giri. Mayur. So on one of the pillar, there is this Govardhana picture when Lord has lifted the Govardhana. So yeah, the other day when we saw, so the one pillar behind is this Govardhana picture. Mayura Keka, okay. Mayura Keka Shatalobhaniyam Mayukhamala Shabalam Manina Virincha Loka Sprusham Virincha Loka Sprushamucha Shrungaihi Girincha Govardhana Maikshathastvam. So beautiful. Radha Krishna. Number 9. Samantato Gopakumarakaistvam.
Samantato Gopakumarakaistvam.
Samantato Yatra Vanantamagaha.
Samantato Yatra Vanandamagaha.
Tatastatastam Kutilama Pashyaha.
Tatastatastam Kutilama Pashyaha.
Kalindajam Ragavatimi Vaikam.
Kalindajam Ragavatimi Vaikam. Samantato Gopakumarakaistvam. Samantato Yatra Vanandamagaha. Tadastadastam Kutilama Pashyaha. Kalindajam Ragavadimi Vaikam.
So now Lord is roaming in the forest with all his Gopa boys. So over there they have said, Samam Tataha, thereafter Gopa Kumara Kaihi Samam, with all the Gopa Kumaras, with them when you are going, Samam Tataha, anywhere and everywhere and all around, Vanantam Agaha, in the forest, and when Agaha, wherever you go, even inside the forest, Tatas Tam, there, wherever you went, over there, Tam, that, Kutilam Apashyaha. Kutilam, the one which is very going winding and winding. Apashyaha, you saw. Who Tam? Kalindajam. Who that Kalindaja? Kalinda's daughter. Who? Yamuna you saw. How? Ragavati Iva Ekam. As if, one who is deprived of love. So, that means you are somebody, who is fallen in love and waiting for the love. You won't see sitting them in the crowd somewhere. They will have their own secluded place waiting for the love. Like this Yamuna is the love. She is loving Lord and she is waiting for the Lord. In that way, it has been projected that Ragavati Iva Ekam. As if this one lover who is waiting for her one lover, Lord. That's why he's repeated, he's seeing her anywhere, everywhere, wherever he goes in the forest. This apashyaha, kutilam apashyaha, tam kutilam apashyaha. Her, the tam is that feminine word. Samantato gopakumarakaistvam samantatvam, we can pause. Samantato gopakumarakaistvam samantato. See, samam gopakumarakaihi, with gopakumara, and samantataha means everywhere in the forest. So the usage of word samam and saman, it's very beautiful. Samam, but we are saying with the Anuswara rule, samantataha. But over there, another word is a samantato yatra. So both are having different shades, but similar wording. So also this Sanskrit needs to be enjoyed. Excuse me. Samantato gopakumarakaistvam samantato yatra vanantamagaha tatastatastang kutilama pashyaha kalindajam ragavatimi vaikam. I just loved that ragavatimi vaikam. Shobhaji, let's have you in for and complete this dashakam. Tatha vidhesmin vipine pashavye
तथा विधेस्मिन् विपिने पशव्ये
samutsuko vatsagana prachare
समुत्सुको वत्सगणप्रचारे
charan saramoth kumarakaistvam
चरन् सरामोऽथ कुमारकैस्त्वम्
samira gehadhipapahi rogat
समीरगेहाधिपपाहि रोगात् तथा विधेस्मिन् विपिने पशव्ये समुत्सुको वत्सगणप्रचारे चरन् सरामोऽथ कुमारकैस्त्वम् समीरगेहाधिपपाहि रोगात्.
So beautifully he has concluded with using such lovely words. Tatha, tatha vidhe asmin vipine, in this forest. Tatha vidhe, however it was told, the description of that forest. Pashavye samutsukaha vatsagana prachare. Vatsagana prachare with all the calves. Pashavye samutsukaha, which is like very good for all the cattle and all. Saramaha atha charan. With Rama you were going, and not only with Rama, Kumarakai also. With all the Gopa Kumaras, all the other cowherd boys, and with Rama means Balrama, you were roaming with the cattle in this above described forest. Samira Geha. Samira is Vayu. Vayu, Geha is a house. Vatapura, who is that? Gurvairappa. So he has used the in combination. Samira Geha Adhipa, the head of this Pahi Roga. Pahi, protect me from my diseases. Tatha vidhesmin vipine pashavye samutsuko vatsagana prachare charan saramotha kumarakaistvam samira gehadhipapahi rogat sada sarvatra govinda nama sankirtanam govinda govinda narayana akhila guru bhagavan namaste. So with his kripa we enjoyed this coming to Vrindavan, Lord's. Just imagine if we have to relocate, we make such a fuss and pain, and we fail to see the beauty of what's there, that journey. But somewhere, something past which we have no control, we hold. Oh, I had this over there. Oh, I had that over there. Nothing is mentioned. Gokula is out. What is there now? That has been enjoyed. What is a pain of relocation, or what they've gone to a different, and what's there that is enjoyed being in the moment. That's what is important. There are so many things in store when any changes happen. We feel we make the change, but there is somebody above who makes the change. Okay, let's get into 50. Harini Chandas. Harini we have not done before. Oh, so we'll have to spend some quick time. Varshaj's reference audio set. What is it? What is that message?
I think this is for the Dashakam 34-35. I think she has mentioned that. So I wanted to clarify if your reference audio is there on the group or is it the one that they practice?
Oh.
Sahanaji, it is Varshaji's only audio.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
yes,
Thank you
please
so
check
much.
the audios and before asking Varshaji, that will be good.
Yeah, sure. I'll do that. Thank you. I didn't know that it was there. My mistake. Okay, thank you.
Okay, something. Okay, fair enough. Okay, let's go ahead. Harini, we have not done it. And I also missed to put it in the group for you all to do the Guru Laghu. Okay, so we'll just quickly write Na, Sa, Ma, Ra. I hope you all are writing it somewhere. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa, La, Gaha. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa, La, Gaha. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa, La, Gaha. Then next word. Shad, Ve, Dair, Ha, Yair, Harini, Mata. Shad, Ve, Dair, Ha, Yair, Harini, Mata. I'll repeat. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa, La, Gaha. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa, La, Gaha. Shad, Ve, Dair, Ha, Yair, Harini, Mata. Quickly, Guru Laghu of this. Or directly we'll just go for the Gana. So this Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, these are the Ganas. Na Gana means what should be everything?
Three Laghu.
Na Gana is 3 Laghu. Sa Gana is
2 Laghu and 1 Guru.
Bhajasa. Last one has to be Guru. Ma Gana is
all Guru.
All Guru. Ra Gana is
Madhyama.
Middle one is Laghu.
Laghu.
Middle one is Laghu, Ra Gana. And then again, Sa Gana is last one, Bhajasa. So last one, Guru. So this is the Gana. Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa. These are the Ganas. And then La and Ga. This is the Laghu and Guru that it has. So how many? We have Na, La and Ga. La is Laghu and Ga is Guru.
Okay.
So it will have Na, Sa, Ma, Ra, Sa. So how many alphabets, how many syllables over?
15.
15. And then La and Ga. After that, one Laghu and one Guru.
17.
So total there are 17 syllables. So this Harini Chandas has got 17 syllables. And then 17 syllables we have done so many before. Can anybody give 1 or 2 names?
Shikharini.
Shikharini, yes. So where is the Yati for Shikharini?
8 and 7.
No.
6 and 11.
6 and 11. 6 and 11 is for Shikharini. Any other we did? 17 syllable.
Prithvi
Chandas.
Mandakranta we did. Prithvi we did. Mandakranta's Yati is where?
Sorry.
Mandakranta Yati. Break is?
4, 6, 7.
4, 6, 7. Yes. Mandakranta 4, 6, 7. And who said Prithvi?
Lakshmi, 8 and 9. 8
yes,
and 9.
8 and 9. So, though they are 17 syllables, their yatis are different. We did Shikharini, we did Mandakranta, we did Prithvi, and Shikharini has 6 plus 11. 6 means you break at 6 and then you continue. That is yati. Mandakranta, you break at 3 places, 4, then 6, and then 7. So that is 17. And then this Prithvi, you break at 2 places, 8 and 9. So now for this Harini, they have given that breakage. Shad. After 6, Vedaihi. How many Vedas are there? 4. So 6, then 4, and then Hayaihi. Haya is horses. How many horses Surya has? So when you say Vedic horse, 7. 7. So 6, 4, and 7 is the Yati, whereas Mandakranta was 4, 6, and 7 the Yati. So that's the difference. Those 17 syllables. So Harini has like this method. But when we are chanting this particular over here, we are not following the Yati. We have to do the whole line together. Because of the complexity of the Sanskrit words he has used to put, we can't break them anywhere. Adosyati. We have to put it as samasta.
I think Anika has a question.
Yes. Yes, Anika. You have a question or to start for chanting? To start for the chanting, right? Yes. Let us begin the second 50. We have time, right? Yeah. We have time. We have to complete also. Vatsasura Vadha Varnanam we are going to see in this, and also we are going to see Bakasura Vadha Varnanam. If we don't finish, then we will continue rather than delay. Okay. Tarala Madhukrit Vrinde Vrindavane Manohare.
तरलमुदकृद्वृन्दे वृन्दावनेथ मनोहरे.
And again.
तरलमधुकृद्वृन्दे वृन्दावनेथ मनोहरे.
पशुपशिशुभिः साकं वत्सानुपालनलोलुपः.
पशुपशिशुभिः साकं वत्सानुपालनलोलुपः.
हलधर सखो देव श्रीमन् विचेरिथ धारयन्.
हलधर सखो देव श्रीमन्वचेरिथ धारयन्.
विचेरिथ धारयन्.
विचेरित धारयन्.
गवलमुरलिवेत्रन् नेत्राभिरामतनुद्युतिः.
गवलमुरलीवेत्रं नेत्राभिरामतनुद्युतिः. तरलं मधुकृद्वृन्दे वृन्दावनेथ मनोहरे. पशुपशिशुभसा भस्साको वत्सानुपालन लोलुपः. हलधर सखो देवश्री मन् विचेरिथ धारयन्. कवलमुरलीवेत्रं नेत्राभिरामतनुद्युतिः.
नेत्राभिराम तनुद्युतिः. Netrabhirama. Eyes are very nice and radiant. And this Tanudyutihi, so nice words are there. Okay. Tarala Madhukrit Vrinde. Tarala, am I there? I was lost. I was lost again. Did you hear? Till what you heard? No, you all are hearing me.
We heard.
Okay, then I was only paused for myself. Okay. Tarala Madhukrit. Madhukrit, the one who is making the madhu is honeybee. And Vrunda. So much. The swarm of the honeybees, Tarala. So they are going where? In that Vrindavana. And that site is very manohara. In this beautiful Vrindavana, the bees are going, the swarm of bees are there. Then Pashupa Shishubhihi. So Pashupa Shishubhihi Sakam. With the cowherd boys. Pashupa cowherd. Shishubhihi there. So by the cowherd boys, Vatsanupalana Lolupaha. Lolupaha desire. Vatsanupalaha. To manage the calves. The desire to manage the calves. So with the cowherd boys, and with whom? Haladhara Sakhaha, with Balaramji. Deva Shriman, Vicherita Dharayan, he is roaming about. Dharayan, holding what? Gavala, which is his flute. No, the Gavala, which is the horn, the cow horn. Murali is the flute, and Vetra is the Vetreka, we say, no, that's one bamboo stick. Holding all this, Vicheritha, roaming. Who? Lord. Lord is roaming. So, this Netrabhirama Tanudyutihi, for the eyes whose form is so very beautiful, such a form of Lord,
along with Balramji and other cowherd boys, are roaming in the forest, desiring to take the calves for grazing. And where all these honeybees are there. So, a description of the forest. Seen that cartoon of Krishna, which is both in English and Hindi. I should actually post that cartoon. Normally, we as adults will not watch cartoons and all, but this particular cartoon is very beautifully done. And all this Bakasura Vadha, whatever we are going to read, in that it is so beautifully projected, and that animation is really sweetest. Maybe I should post for you all to watch, because I watch it anytime, sometimes when you remember, and it's very enchanting. And that description, that cartoon description, I'm seeing it over here. तरल मधुकृत वृंदे वृंदावने मनोहरे पशुपशिशुभिः साकं वत्सानुपालन लोलुपः फलधर सखो देव श्रीमन् विचेरित धारयन् गवल मुरली वेत्रन् नेत्राभिराम तनुद्युतिः. Yes. विहित जगत विहित जगति रक्षण लक्ष्मी विहित जगति रक्षण लक्ष्मीकराम्बुजलालितम्
विहित जगति रक्षं लक्ष्मीकराम्बुजलालितम्
ददति चरणद्वन्द्वं वृन्दावने त्वयि पावने
ददति चरणद्वन्द्वं वृन्दावने त्वयि पावने
किमिव न बभौ सम्पत् सम्पूरितं तरुवल्लरी सलिलधरणि गोत्र क्षेत्रादिकं कमलापते. No pause. किमिव न बभौ सम्पत् सम्पूरितं तरुवल्लरी, then salila dharani gotra kshetradikam. Okay, Kamalapate.
किमिव न बभौ सम्पत् सम्पूरितं तरुवल्लरी सलिलधरणि गोत्रक्षेत्रादिकं कमलापते. विहित जगति रक्षं लक्ष्मीकराम्बुजलालितं ददति चरणद्वन्द्वं वृन्दावने त्वयि पावने किमिव न बभौ सम्पत् सम्पूरितं तरुवल्लरी सलिलधरणि गोत्रक्षेत्रादिकं कमलापते.
Charanadvandva, your both feet. Vrindavane tvai pavane. When your foot, your both feet have touched Vrindavana, the city only, that place only has become holy in that sense. And how he's been addressed? Kamalapate. Kamalapate, Lakshmi ji's pati in that sense. And over here, this Vihita Jagati Raksha. Vihita Jagati Raksha means the one who is Jagati Raksha, one who is protecting the universe, and who's Lakshmi Karambuja Lalita. How are Lord's feet? Lalita by Lakshmi Karambuja. Lakshmi's lotus-like hand are caressing those feet. Such feet have been landed into Vrindavan, which is changing the whole dynamics of that place. How? Kimiva means what is, how much it is that Sampat Sampuritam. How much he has brought prosperity by touching his feet, which have been caressed by Lakshmi ji. How much to whom, like prosperity to who? Taru, the trees, Vallari, all the creepers, Salila, water, Dharani, the bhumi itself over there, the earth only itself, Gotra, Kshetra, all the fields, everybody over there, you have brought Kimima na babhau. What you have not brought, how much you have made them prosperous, and how much you are making them shine in that prosperity to all the things. It's not only for the human beings. It means even Water, bhumi, everything, antariksham only is Lord has taken care of, and the whole dynamics over there has changed because of the presence of Lord. विहित जगति रक्षन् लक्ष्मीकराम्बुजलालितं ददति चरणद्वन्द्वं वृन्दावने त्वयि पावने किमिव न बभौ सम्पूरितं तरुवल्लरी सलिलधरणी गोत्र क्षेत्रादिकं कमलापते. Yes, Anish. विलसदुलपे कान्तारान्ते समीरणशीतले
विलसदुलपे कान्तारान्ते समीरणशीतले
विपुलयमुनातीरे गोवर्धनाचलमूर्धसु
विपुलयमुनातीरे गोवर्धनाचलमूर्धसु
ललितमुरलीनादः सञ्चारयन् खलु वात्सकम्
ललितमुरलीनादः सञ्चारयन् खलु वात्सकम्
वचनदिवसे दैत्यं वत्साकृतिं त्वमुदैक्षथाः
वचनदिवसे दैत्यं वत्साकृतिं त्वमुदैक्षथाः विलसदुलपे कान्तारान्ते समीरणशीतले विपुलयमुनातीरे गोवर्धनाचलमूर्धसु ललितमुरलीनादः सञ्चारयन् खलु वात्सकम् क्वचन दिवसे दैत्यं वत्साकृतिं त्वमुदैक्षथाः.
Excellent. So effortlessly done, Anish. Excellent. It was a little complex, but you have done so well. Vilasat ulape. Ulape on the ulapa. On the ulapa, that ulapa is that green pastures we have seen, right? On that lawn. Vilasat. Very nice, very beautiful. Kanta rante. Kanta, forest. Ante, in that forest. Samirana Shitale. Samirana Vayu Shitala. Very nice cool breeze is flowing. On that Vipula Yamuna Tira. Yamuna Tira, bank of Yamuna, which is Vipula, which is Vishala, which is plenty of banks you have, to enjoy it, to sit over there, to roam over there. And also what? Govardhanachala Murdhasu. And on top of that Govardhana mountain, what is Lord doing? Lalita Murali Nada. He is playing his beautiful flute. It's on the banks of the river Yamuna, on the top of the Govardhana mountain, where the wind is blowing so sweetly, on that beautiful lawn, in that forest, Kantarante, Lord is playing his Lalita, very sweet Murali Nada. And like this, Sancharayan also, he's roaming also, Khalu, truly, Vatsakam, with all the calves. Then Kvachana Divase, then on some day, Daityam, here comes our villain. One Rakshasa, Vatsakruti, taking the shape of a calf. Tvam Udaikshathaha, you saw one Daitya taking the shape of one calf. It's when such beautiful things are happening, one Daitya in the calf shape has appeared. Vilasadulape kantarante samirana shitale vipula yamuna tire govardhana chalamurdhasu lalita muralinada sancharayan khalu vatsakam vachana divase daityam vatsakritin tvamudaikshathaha. Okay, adults can raise hands. Lalita ji can come. Number 4. Rabhasa vilasat puchcham vichhayatosya vilokayan.
Rabhasa vilasat puchcham vichhayatosya vilokayan.
Imapi valitas skandham randhra pratikshamudikshitam. What happened?
Somebody came to repair things in the house.
You want me to repeat or you have heard it?
No, please repeat, ma'am.
Kimapi valita, you can call me Varsha. Don't call me ma'am. I'm not. Kimapi valita skandham randhra pratikshamudikshitam.
किमपि विदवलितस्कन्धं रन्ध्रप्रतीक्षमुदीक्षितम्
तमथ चरणे बिभ्रामयन् मुहुरुच्चकैः. You want me to call you again and can somebody else say?
Later,
So
please,
then you are distracted. But you don't remove your hand. I will call you again. For the next one, let them finish because we will have to adjust with who is available there. You can keep your hand raised. Don't remove your hand, Shikha. Okay, come, Simon. We'll do this. रभस विलसत्पुच्छं विच्छायतोऽस्य विलोकयन्.
रभस विलसत्पुच्छं विच्छायतोऽस्य विलोकयन्.
किमपि वलितस्कन्धं रन्ध्रप्रतीक्षमुदीक्षितम्.
किमपि वलितस्कन्धं रन्ध्रप्रतीक्षमुदीक्षितम्.
तमथ चरणे बिभ्रामयन् मुहुरुच्चकैः.
तमथ चरणे बिभ्रामयन् मुहुरुच्चकैः.
उहचन महावृक्षे चिक्षेपित क्षतजीवितम्.
उहचन महावृक्षे चिक्षेपित क्षतजीवितम्. रभस विलसत्पुच्छं विच्छायतोऽस्य विलोकयन्. किमपि वलिसत्कन्धं रन्ध्रप्रतीक्षमुदीक्षितम्. तमथ चरणे बिभ्रामयन् मुहुरुच्चकैः. उहचन महावृक्षे चिक्षेपित क्षतजीवितम्.
So now Lord has seen that Asura in the last verse. Now what this Asura is doing, that description. Rabhasa. Rabhasa is with so much force. Vilasat Pucham. He is Vilasat Pucham. Pucha is tail. Vilasat. He is moving his tail with great force. Vichayata. And he is walking. Asya Vilokayan. Lord saw that. Such Asya. Such a person. Such a Asura, Lord saw. And then, what is he also seeing? Lord is seeing, Kimapi, sometimes, Valita Skandha, pulling his shoulders, neck, turning back. Randhra Pratiksham. Randhra is actually a hole. He's seeing a Pratiksham, waiting for a hole means a chance to attack. Udikshitam, who Lord saw. And Udikshitam, in a very strange way also, he is behaving. Lord is watching all this. That time, what did Lord do? Tam atha charane bibhrat. Charane bibhrat. Taking his legs. Vibhramayan. Caught hold of his leg and Bhramaya. Turned him. Muhuhu. Again and again. Uchchakaihi. Very hard. Lord is like swirling him. Caught hold of his leg. Something is moving over here. This one antagonism. Some insect I have killed. I don't know. By the time I caught hold of it, it died. It was moving over here. Okay. Then Vibhramayan Muhuruchakaihi. He caught hold of his leg and fast he was whirling him. And then Kuhachana, some Mahavrikshe, one big tree, Chikshepitha. He threw him. Then Shatajivitam. By just moving him, whirling him down, and once he died with that, then Lord just threw him on some big tree. So it's dead of that Asura. Rabhasa vilasat puchham vichayatosya vilokayan kimapi valitaskandham randhra pratikshamudikshitam tamatha charane vibhramayan muhuruchchakaihi uhachana mahavrikshe chikshepi takshata jivitam. Okay, Lalita ji, it's silent over there or not yet?
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah.
Now?
Yeah, I'm there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let us go. Number 5. Nipatati mahadaitye jatya duratmani takshanam.
निपतति महादैत्ये जात्या दुरात्मनि तत्क्षणम्
निपतन जवक्षुण्ण क्षोणिरुह क्षतकानने.
निपतन जवक्षुण्ण क्षोणिरुह क्षतकानने.
Okay, निपतन
जवक्षुण्ण क्षोणिरुह क्षतकानने.
Correct. दिवि परिमिलद् वृन्दारकः कुसुमोत्करैः.
दिवि परिमिलद् वृन्दारकः कुसुमोत्करैः.
शिरसि भवतो हर्षाद् वर्षन्ति नाम तदा हरे.
शिरसि भवतो हर्षाद् वर्षन्ति नाम तदा हरे. निपतति महादैत्ये जात्या दुरात्मनि तत्क्षणम् निपतन जवक्षुण्ण क्षोणिरुह क्षतकानने. दिवि परिमिलद् वृन्दारकः कुसुमोत्करैः. शिरसि भवतो हर्षाद् वर्षन्ति नाम तदा हरे.
Now, this Asura who has come as a calf, Lord has caught hold of his legs and whirled him and flung him into on the tree. That time what has happened, this Nipatati, this fallen Mahadaitya, now he has come to his original form. Jatya duratmani takshanam. You know, Duratma, he is evil-minded. Jatya, by birth, that evil-minded. When he, Nipatana, fell how? Javena. Java is the force. We saw this Java. I given that Vyanavayu, Javena, from the heart, the blood is flowing. We said, and given some example that time. So Java, with that force, now that he has Nipata Java, he has fallen. Shunna means he has destroyed, he has crushed. What? Troniruha. So this Shunna is matched with the word Troniruha. Troniruha means tree. So such huge body, now he has crushed, he has Shunna Troniruha. So many trees he has crushed. Shatam Kanane. And that forest, that whole area, he fell down those trees. Means he was so huge that not one or two trees, one area of the trees were brought down. Then Divi, in the sky, Parimilad Vrinda, the group of who? Vrindarakaha, of the gods. Kusumotkaraihi. Kusumotkaraihi, flowers. Shirasi, on God's head. Bhavataha Shirasi. Harshad, with happiness. Varshanti, they showered. Namatada Hare. So, then seeing this Asura has been crushed, gods have gathered in the sky, so many in groups, and they showered flowers on Lord's head. But the next verse is very nice. The answer which Lord gives her, it's very cute answer. We'll wait for the next verse. Nipati mahadaitye jatya duratmani takshanam nipatana javakshunna kshoniruha ksatakanane divi parimilad vrindarakah kusumotkaraihi shirasi bhavato harshad varshanti nama tada hare. So beautiful. Radha Krishnanji, let's have the next verse. We have time, right? Yeah. We have time. We have to complete. More verses. Surabhilatama kutah kusumavali. Surabhilatama murdhanyurdhvang. Mu dirgha, murdha mahaprana, nyu dirgha. Murdhanyurdhvang kutah kusumavali. This is Murdhani, Urdhvam, on the head, from top, Kutaha Kusumavali. Kusumavali, Deepavali, rose of deep. Kusumavali, rose of flowers. From where this rose of flowers, Surabhilatama? Huh? Very Surabhilatama. Surabhilatama. Taratama we have now. So the most fragrant flowers, Murdhani Urdhvam, on the head. Kutaha Kusumavali. From where these flowers have fallen on your head? Gopas are asking. So now when we know the meaning, we'll be able to read through it. Surabhilatama Murdhanyurdhvam, on top of the head, from top. Kutaha Kusumavali. Surabhilatama Murdhanyurdhvam kutah Kusumavali.
Surabhilatama Murdhanyurdhvam kutah Kusumavali.
Nipatati tavetyukto balai sahela mudairayaha.
Nipatati tavetyukto balai sahela mudairayaha.
Sahela mudairayaha.
Nipatati tavetyukto balai sahela mudairayaha.
Sahela mudairaha is like funny answer. Udairaha. Lord gives one funny answer. Jhatiti danuja kshepe nordhvangatas mandala. Sorry, I just laughed seeing that answer because it's very cute. Jhatiti danuja kshepe nordhvam. Danuja kshepe nordhvam gataha tarumandalat. Jhatiti danuja kshepe nordhvam gatas tarumandalat.
Chadadi darujakshepen ordhvam gadastarumandalat.
Jhatiti is very fast. Danuja kshepa. Danuja is that Rakshasa. Kshepa means he threw. Urdhvam gataha. Top. Tarumandalat. From the Tarumandala, so many trees had fallen, right? So when such big Rakshasa has fallen, because of that, these flowers had gone up. Urdhvam gataha, Lord says. He doesn't say the gods are showering on me. He said because the Rakshasa fell on so many trees, the flowers urdhvam gataha. Jhatiti, because the force of that Danuja was so much, and this Taru Mandala means so much forest has been cleared, is crushed. So that many flowers have gone up, and that Kusuma Nikara, that Kusuma, Soyam, that is only coming down. Noonam Sametisha. Slowly now they are falling down one by one. The flowers which had gone up are only now falling. It's such a cute answer to enjoy that line. Jhatiti danuja kshepe nordhvam gatastarumandalat.
Chadadi danujakshepen ordhvam gadastarumandalat.
Kusuma nikara soyan noonam sameti shanairiti.
Kusuma nikara soyan noonam samedi shanairiti. Surabhilatama murdhanyurdhvam kutah kusumavali. Nipatati tavetyukto balai sahela mudairayaha. Chadadi danujakshepen ordhvam gadastarumandalat. Kusuma nikara soyam noonan samedi shanairiti.
Did you get the meaning of all the words? Yeah. So the
Yes.
Danuja, when he has fallen so much hard, that time the flowers had gone up. So now they are Shanai falling down. This Kusuma Nikara one by one. Soyam, that only this is which had gone up. Noonam, really. The Sameti Shanairiti. Slowly they are only coming down. Like this, Sahel Udaireya. He jokingly saying all this. Very funny answer. Oh, I just love this answer. Surabhilatama, the most fragrant. Murdhani, Urdhvam Kuta, on your head, from top where it has come. Nipateti. That time you have said that Danuja Kshepen Urdhvam Gataha, that Kusuma Nikaraha, so I am. And now it is Sameti Shaniriti. Surabhilatama Murdhanyurdhvam kutah kusumavali nipatati tavetyukto तो बालैः सहेलमुदैरयः झटिति धनुजक्षेपे नोर्ध्वङ्गतस्तरुमण्डलात् कुसुमनिकरः सोऽयन् नूनं समेति शनैरिति. Very well. I can see one new hand. Sumita ji, come. But you have to keep your camera on. Then only I can answer. Whoever raises hand now, keep your cam on. Let's do. क्वचन दिवसे भूयो भूयस्तरे परुषातपे. We can pause also saying bhuyah. क्वचन दिवसे भूयः भूयस, but so far we have not stopped, so we will continue. क्वचन दिवसे भूयो भूयस्तरे परुषातपे.
क्वचन दिवसे भूयो भूयस्तरे परुषात्तपे.
Very good. तपनतनया पार्थः पातुं गता भवदादयः.
तपनतनया पार्थः पातुं गता भवदादयः.
भवदादयः. We have to end that. Then चलितगरुतं प्रेक्षामासुर्बकं खलु विस्मृतम्.
चलितगरुतं प्रेक्षामासुर्वकं खलु विस्मृतम्.
क्षितिधरगरुच्छेदे कैलासशैलमिवापरम्.
क्षितिधरगरुच्छेदे कैलासशैलमिवापरम्.
कैलापरम्. Like that. End.
Okay. कैलासशैलमिवापरम्. क्वचन दिवसे भूयो भूयस्तरे परुषातपे. तपनतनया पार्थः पातुं गता भवदादयः. चलितगरुतं प्रेक्षामासुर्वकं खलु विस्मृतम्. क्षितिधरगरुच्छेदे कैलासशैलमिवापरम्.
Soon you will slowly get my idea. You're trying, but yeah, once a while you should come and volunteer. Okay, so now Vachana Divase. So one day, Bhuyaha, again one another day. So now another story. So now we saw this Vatsasuras Vadhavisa. Okay, now another. Vatsa means calf. That Asuras Vadhavisa. Now another Bhuyaha again. Bhuyaha tare, Bhuyas tare. On the earth, Parushatape. It was very hot. That time, Tapana Tanaya Patha. Because they have used the word Parushatape, he is using Tapana Tanaya. Tapana Tanaya, daughter of the sun. Pathaha. The daughter of the sun over here is Yamuna. Yamuna ji's Pathaha, water. Patum, to drink. Patum, tuman abhyay. Gata, bhavadadaya. Bhavat adaya. You and others, all the other Gopavais, to drink water because it was very hot. To drink water from Yamuna, you had gone. That time, Chalita Garutam. Chalita Garutam. Chalita Garutam Preksha Masur Bakam. You saw one Baka. Baka is that heron, crane. You saw one crane, and how it is as if Vismrutam. Who has Vismrutam? Indra has Vismrutam. Now why Indra? I'll tell you. Kshitidhara Garut Chede. Kshitidhara holding the Kshiti, that is that mountain. Garut is the wings. Chede, cut. Vismrutam. As if Indra has forgotten to cut this particular mountain's wing. So it is believed that in the previous yuga, mountains had wings and mountains would fly. Not believe. If our Shastra is telling, means it was like that. And then when the gods they were complaining to Indra, because Indra is the god of all the gods, king of all the gods. Then Indra cut the wings of the mountains, and the mountains became stable down on the earth. But this crane was so huge that it is saying that Kailasa Shailam Ivaparam. It was like one more aparam, one more like a Kailasa, one big Kailasa mountain. So this crane is flying. This is so huge. It is said that it is looking like another Kailas mountain. Probably Indraji has forgotten to Garucheda, to cut this wing like that. I hope you have understood. Like this, he has Prekshamasu, means he saw, they saw. Who? This Baka. Baka is this crane. So, Chalita Garutam. Chalita Garutam. Garut is wing. Chalita. The wings are moving. The wings are moving of this big Baka as though Vismrutam, Lord Indra has forgotten to Garucheda, to cut this wing, which is Kailasa Shailam Iva Aparam. Apara Kailasa, another Kailasa mountain it is looking. Such a big crane. These boys saw, Lord and Bhavadadaya saw when they had gone to drink water from the river when it was a very hot day. Clear, no? It's not confusing, right? To tell the meaning it is easy, but to translate and tell where that word is, sometimes it is taking from. So which word we have to see? Chalita Garut, Prekshamasu, Bakam. There is that Baka. And Vismrutam, Kshitidhara Garucheda, and Kailasa Shailam Ivaparam. So now when we chant, when these words are there in the mind, we'll be able to chant better, and it's not where to break, it will not. Otherwise, cha. So Chalita Garu, Chali, Taga, and Rutam, it will not make. So Chalita Garutam, when we have, so what is meaning, we should know. क्वचन दिवसे भूयो भूयस्तरे परुषातपे तपनतनया पाथः पातुं गता भवदादयः चलितगरुतं प्रेक्षामासुर्बकं खलु अविस्मृतं क्षितिधरगरुच्छेदे कैलासशैलमिवापरम्. Okay, Shamalaji, number 8. पिबति सलिलङ्गोपव्राते भवन्तमभिन्द्रुतः.
पिबति सलिलङ्गोपव्राते भवन्तम् अभिद्रुतः.
So that abhidruta only should be there. Abhindruta I said because in my book there is one anuswara on bhi. In your book there is an anuswara on bhi. It should not be there. Bhavantam abhidrutaha. Please cut that. It is not making any sense. Pibati salilangopavrate bhavantam abhidrutaha.
Pibati salilangopavrate bhavantam abhidrutaha.
Sakila nigalannagni prakhyam punardrutamudvaman. Sakila nigalannagni prakhyam punar Dhrutam udvaman.
Sakila nigalan agni prakhyam punar dhrutamudvaman.
Sakila nigalan agni prakhyam punar dhrutamudvaman.
Sakila nigalan agni prakhyam punar dhrutamudvaman.
Dalayitumagatроट्यः कोट्या तदाशु भवान् विभो.
दलयितुमगात्रोट्यः कोट्या तदाशु भवान् विभो.
दाशु भवान् विभो. फलजनभिदाचुञ्चुश्चुञ्चु प्रगृह्य ददारतम्. फलजनभिदाचुञ्चुश्चञ्चु प्रगृह्य ददारतम्.
फलजनभिदाचुञ्चुश्चञ्चु प्रगृह्य ददारतम्. पिबति सलिलं गोपव्राते भवन्तम् अभिवृतं द्रुतः. सकिल निगलन्नग्नि प्रख्यं पुनर्धृतमुद्वमन्.
dalayitu.
दलयितुमगात्रोट्या कोट्या तदाशु भवान् विभो खलजनभिदा चञ्चुश्चञ्चु प्रगृह्य ददारतम्.
So first is Abhida chunchu, then is chanchu. First is chunchu, then is chanchu.
खलजनभिदा चुञ्चुश्चञ्चु प्रगृह्य ददारतम्.
Chunchu means expert. Chanchu means beak. The crane has that long beak. So we should not mix any of the words because both are different meanings. And that is Bhattatiriji's speciality. He'll mix those repetitive words. That figure of speech is too good over here. So it is making it complex, but once we'll see the meaning, it will become easy. Pibati Salilam, drinking that water, they've gone now to that river. Gopa Vrate, all those gopas. Bhavantam abhidrutaha. Towards you, running. Abhidrutaha, running. Who? Sa, that crane. He come immediately, very fast towards Lord, and Nigalan, he swallowed the Lord. This baka, this crane, this heron, he swallowed the Lord, Nigalan. But Agni Prakhyam Punar Dhrutam Udvaman. Punaha again, but he swallowed the Lord, but again Dhrutam, very fast, Udvaman. Oh, 6:20. Sorry, just now I saw it was 6:20. Past 20 minutes, we are at, proceed. 2 more verses. Okay, Udvaman, he vomited. Why? Because he felt it is Agni Prakhyam, as though there is a fireball he has swallowed. He went fast. Abhidruta, he went to the Lord, he swallowed the Lord, but Agni Prakhyam Udvaman. Dhrutam Udvaman. Punaha, he vomited out the Lord. Whatever he swallowed, he vomited out because he felt he has swallowed fire. Then Dalayitum. Dalayitum means to finish off. To finish off Agat Trotya. Agat. So Lord is very expert in killing. So that Trotya, that beak, and that Kotya, that point, Ashu, quickly, Tada Bhavan, O Lord Vibho, Khalajana, those who are wicked people, to them, Abhida Chunchu. Chunchu, you are expert in taking care of that. That Chanchu, that beak, Pragrihya, you held, and Dadar, you opened it wide. Means he took the 2 beaks and he Dadara. He just tore open that crane's mouth, the beak. Lord has done. Pibati Salilango Pavrate Bhavantav Abhidrutaha Sakila Nigalan Agnip Khyam Punar Dhrutamudvaman Dalayitumagatro Kotya Tadashu Bhavan Vibho Khalajana Chunchush Chanchu Pragrihya Dadaratam. Quickly, they will do 2 more verses. Fast, 5 minutes. Saritama. Sapadi sahajam sandrashtum vamrutam khalu putanam.
Sapadi sahajan sandrashtum vamrutam khalu putanam.
Anuja. Then starting with Anuja. Anujamagam apyagre gatva pratikshitumeva va.
Anujamaghamapyagre gatva pratikshitumeva va.
Pratikshitum. If you hold the T longer, you will get it.
Okay. Anujamaghamapyagre.
Sorry. Anujamaghamapyagre.
Anujamaghamapyagre gatva pratikshitumeva va.
Shamana nilayayate tasmin bake sumano gane.
Shamana nilayayate tasmin bake sumano gane.
Kirati sumano vrindavan. Oh, there is no missing. Okay.
Yeah.
Vrindavanad grihamayathaha.
Kirati sumano vrundam वृन्दावनात् गृहमय्यथाः सपदि सहजां संद्रष्टुं सपदि सहजां संद्रष्टुं वा मृतां खलु पूतनाम् अनुजमघमप्यग्रे गत्वा प्रतीक्षितुमेव वा शमननिलयय्याते तस्मिन् बके सुमनोगणे किरति सुमनो वृन्दं वृन्दावनात् गृहमय्यथा
And now this one is dead, right? Bakasura. So now what it is said, Sapadi Sandrashtum, quickly to see. Sahajam. Sahaja, one who is born with him, sibling. Who? His sibling is that Mrutang Khaluput, that dead Putana. Putana is his sister. As if he is in hurry to see his sister. Means he's gone. She's gone. So now he's gone. So he just came with that speed and he's sent also with that speed as if he's in hurry to see her. Means in the dead earth. So, or maybe Anujam Agham Api Agre. Or of the future, he is coming to see Agha. Agha is, Aghasura story is going to be the next story. As if otherwise he's gone early because Aghasura is going to be sent to death. So to receive him, he is already gone early. Agre Gatva Pratikshitum, and waiting for Aghasura also to come. As if he is in hurry to go to see his dead sister, or he died so fast so that he is going and waiting for Aghasura, his younger brother, to join. Meaning both. Where Shama Nilaya. Shamana Nilaya means in Yama's place, Yate Tasmin Bake Sumanogane. Sumanogane are all the gods. That time they kirati, they showered, Sumano Vrindam, flowers again, and Vrindavana Grahamaithala. Then Lord from there went back to his house. Sabadi Sahajam Sandrashtum Vamrutang Khalu Putanam Anujamagamapyagre Gatva Pratikshitumeva va Shamana Nilayayate Tasmin Bake Sumano Gane Kirati Sumano Vrindam Vrindavanad Grahamayatha. We'll quickly finish 5 minutes. Somebody message over there. I'm going to take Lata Kartikji because she has not chanted. And the hands are over off now. Okay. Last one. Lalita Murali Nadan Duran Nishamya Vadhujanaihi.
Lalita Muralinadan Duran Nishamya Vadhujanaihi.
Tvaritamupagambya Radharudhamodamudikshitaha.
Tvaritamupagambya Radharudhamodamudikshitaha.
Pagamya Radharudhamodamudikshitaha. Okay. Janita Janani Nanda Nanda Samirana Mandira Prathita Vasate Shaure Uri Kurushva Mamamayan.
Janita Janani Nanda Nanda Samirana Mandira Prathita Vasate Shaure Duri Kurushva Mamamayan. Lalita Muralinadan Duran Nishamya Vadhujanaihi Tvaritamupagambya Radharudhamodamudikshitaha. Janita Janani Nanda Nanda Samirana Mandira Prathita Vasate Shaure Duri Kurushva Mamamayan.
So now this is concluding. So description of Lalita Murali Nadam, your sweet enchanting Murali Nada flute. Duran Nishamya, even hearing from far, Vadhujanaihi, all the gopikas. Tvaritam, very fast. Upagamya, they come here. And then Upagamya where? Arat, they come Upagamya Arat. So Arat, the will become the. And then Arudha Moda. And they are so very much intoxicated in joy. Udikshitaha, they have always seen like that. But whenever they will hear your flute, now he's returning, no? So he's playing his flute and jollily coming. Hearing his flute far in the distance, these gopis are already enchanted, leaving their jobs and coming and waiting for him. And not only that, Janita, who Janani Nanda, your father and your mother, Janani and Nanda, who are the cause for your birth, they are also so very happy. O Samirana Mandira Pratita Vasite, O the Lord living in Guruvairappa, O in the Shaure, in this clan of Shaura, Duri Kurushva Mamamayan, Duri Kurushva, make my Mama Amayan, Amaya disease, Mama, my disease, Duri Kurushva, take it away. ललितमुरलीनादन् दूरान् निशम्य वधुजनैः त्वरितमुपगम्य राधारूढं मोदमुदीक्षितः जनितजननी नन्दानन्दः समीरणमन्दिरप्रथितवसते शौरे दूरीकुरुष्व ममामयान् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनामसङ्कीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with his grace, how we have completed, we have raced against time and we have borrowed 5 minutes from there. Now, as promised, all of you had said, no, we'll not do Parayana now, we'll do later. Now this later has come now. 50 Dashakam Sarovar. So next week, we will have Parayan. I'll put the numbers down. You all please opt what you want. On Monday, we will have 1 to 25. On Tuesday, we will have 26 to 50. And hopefully, the time should be sufficient and volunteer. And we will wait for a day or two once you have put your name in both the groups, Monday and Tuesday once. But after 2 days also, there is space over there and people are not coming forward. Then you take whatever is remaining for the second round or the third round. So today I will put, we will wait till Wednesday. But when I put today, you all take up whatever Dashakam you want. One from Monday and one from Tuesday. And then this next round, you wait till Wednesday, giving chance for people to fill. So till Wednesday, everybody gets only one slot to pick. Then Thursday onwards, start filling it so that you have time to practice. So please volunteer and complete. Practice with a good speed, good pronunciation. Read the meaning. So when we read the meaning, we know where to break, how to break. If we are not able to hold the samas for the entire breath, at least at a reasonably logical place, we need to stop that word. Not for the taru, you cannot stop at ta and then start with ru for the next. We should know at least okay, taru means a tree. Some small things like this we will have to keep in mind. Okay. Chapter 2, Gita, daily Gita is happening today. Please join. Please listen to Gita. Those who want to memorize chapter 1, please message me. We have started on today's auspicious day. To memorize Gita, we had this sankalpa to memorize whole Gita. We had started from back. I think we completed till 10th chapter from 18, like that, 10 to 18. 1 to 9 were remaining. We have started that again, but that we will continue. So those who have desire to memorize, it is a slow process. It will take 2-3 months to memorize. That speed we are going. So those who want to memorize, please message me today itself. Otherwise, you will lag one more day. We have started doing it today so that I can add you to that memorizing group, how to memorize. It's not a separate class. Everybody does it on their own pace. It is a WhatsApp group class. Everything happens on the WhatsApp. Whoever finishes, they put in the WhatsApp. It is like that. So you can take your time, but that day's work has to be done on that day. And it's not a big work. It's only one verse, one tiny verse. And you have got some homework, the copywriting and all like that will be there. Again, at your own pace. So no class timing for memorizing it. So those who are interested, those who are getting inspired, those who want to tease their brain cells, oh, what is my age? I can't and all. No, at any age, at all age, it is possible. Just don't allow those cells to rest. Pump in some life by chanting Sanskrit, by teasing, stretching your minds and memorizing. Make the mind younger, keep it sharpened, keep it polished. If you have not done any time before, good, it's to start today on the Makara Sankranti. The sun god will bless and throw some light over there and trigger those cells. Okay. So let us end the session. If any doubts, message me because I'm not able to take the doubts. But Gita memorizing at least one chapter you try. Give next 3 months till March, April, this process will go on. And I'll tell you what is the process with the messages. Let's go in. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु Hari Om everyone. Thank you. What a
Thank you.
festive day indeed. Two
Hari Om.
asuras, three asuras have been killed.
Thank you so
Teacher
much.
here is super enthusiastic.
Have to.
It's so nice to see you, man.
Thank you. Thank you. Chalo, let's get into the daily Gita. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you, Ji.
Hari Om. Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you, Indra Ji.